Hello my friends, and today we're going to do a powerful breath work that is known as the mushroom breath. And it is named that because it is something I learned when on a master plant dieta with working with mushrooms. And not magic mushrooms, although these mushrooms are also magical, but it was on a 7-day master plant dieta where I was dieting chaga, reishi, turkey tail, cordyceps, shiitake mixed with cacao into a tea with honey, and so I just added a little sweetness to it, but that was my only stimulant. So I've done a video about master plant dietas, and if you want me to go more into what those 7 days were like and dive deeper into what I learned from that dieta, comment down below and I'll make a video about it. I'll probably make a video anyways about it. But anyways, moving forward, this breath work, we're going to be doing 4 rounds, and it's a breath work that involves the mushroom breath, which is what this is, and it taps us into the body, taps us more into what those mushrooms all help us with, which is better blood flow, deeper chi. We're going to cut that part. Cut that. So this will go from right after I say comment down below. I can make a video about that and we'll dive into that more, and I can tell you the lessons I learned. But in this video, we're going to do breath work. It's going to be 4 rounds. But let's warm up the lungs a little bit first. So this is the beginning part of the breath work. Let's warm ourselves up. Let's relax. So you want to be in a sitting upright position. And for all of this, the best hand position is actually if you interlock the fingers, rest it like that, and rest it on your open lap or right below your belly button, right below your navel chakra. But just rest your arms, palms open, upward. Thumbs can be extended like that. They can go inward, whatever, like that. And what you're going to do is breathe into the belly, out the chest. Or another way to think of this is strong back, soft belly. And we're going to do 4 conscious breaths. So just breathe in, however is comfortable for you. Breathe in. Fill the lungs up all the way, and let it back out. And again, filling the lungs up. Relax the body, let it be. Have the arms in position, holding, letting it back out, letting the breath back out. Nice, slow, controlled, wonderful. 3rd breath in, just taking gratitude for the day, the fact that you can breathe right now, the fact that you have technology to watch this video on, the fact that your life is in a comfortable enough position that you have the time to take care of this right now and not be worried about survival needs. So just be grateful as you're breathing in. You might be holding at this point, and now fully let it out nice and slow and controlled. Thank you. Awesome. 1 more breath. Just be, and out. Beautiful. Okay, awesome. So part of the power of breath work is that it allows us to step into transcendental states, into shamanic states, into higher realms. So, and it also releases what's going on inside of us. So during this journey, if you begin to have visuals and you go off on some journey with Yoda on a Nimbus cloud or something cool like that, or you hit some mystical realms, go with it. If you start laughing, allow yourself to laugh. If you start crying, allow yourself to cry. Okay? If you feel any pressure in your head that you don't like, if you feel tingling you don't like, if your hands clamp up you don't like, stop the breath work and your body will return to normal in 10 to 15 seconds. So we're going to do 4 rounds, and the holds will increase as we go. So for this first one, I want you to eyes open or closed. I prefer closed, this will work better for you. But imagine an orb. Imagine an orb floating in the palms of your hands as you have your hands down. An orb floating there of any color you want. And just breathe in big breaths in with me. See the orb glowing. See the orb spinning. Breathe out. Each breath, the orb gets brighter and more vibrant. Fully in. Fully out. big, slow, powerful breaths. Breathing in, seeing the orb glow brighter and brighter, putting all of this energy into it, whatever color it is. Let that energy flow in and out. All right, 2 more big breaths in. Big inhale all the way. And hold. Trust. Surrender. It's a short hold. Breathe in and hold. And release that back out. Let that orb float away. Let that orb go. Hopefully your eyes are still closed, or that you can still visualize an orb. That orb is now gone. You are now in blank space. A new orb appears. New color, new orb. Each breath, this orb gets going to get bigger and bigger and glow. As you breathe in, you're pulling energy into your lungs. As you breathe out, you're putting that energy into the orb. 4 big, powerful, slow breaths with an inhale hold at the end. Breathe in a fashion that is comfortable and powerful for you. Try to match this pace. And in. Hold. See that orb. Let it bounce. Let out slowly. Breathing out. Breathing in, pulling all the energy that color represents for you into your lungs. Breathing it out into the orb. Breathe it out. Take a big breath in. And out into the orb. See the orb getting bigger and bigger. Filling up your lungs now, letting the orb spin. More vibrant colors fill up your lungs all the way fill. Hold for half a second and out nice and slow. Big inhale in all the way. Trust, surrender, hold. Let that out, nice, slow, controlled. Beautiful. You're feeling some tingles, you're feeling the energy ramp up. We're now going to move into a fast breath. So pick either in through the nose, out through the nose, or in through the mouth, out through the mouth, one or the other. I suggest mouth, but go with what feels right for you. You can change it up as you do this breath work more often. 40 seconds, in, out, and then we'll do an out hold and then an in hold. Trust your body. You are more than your body. You are more than your personality. You are a limitless being. All right, let's breathe. 3, 2, 1, in. Strong back, soft belly, into the belly, out the chest, into the belly, out the chest. Push your pace. Inhale, put it out, push it all out, hold. Big inhale all the way in. Fill your lungs up all the way. Fill them up and hold. Let that out nice, slow, controlled. Beautiful job. See another orb appear in your palms. Hold that orb there. See it grow faster and brighter. This is the final orb. Put all your energy into it. We breathe fast for 60 seconds here. In through the mouth is the best for this one. Push your pace, comfortably uncomfortable. New orb. Breathe the energy in, any color you'd like, and let's go. 3, 2, 1. Strong back, soft belly, into the belly, out the chest, fully in, fully out. Don't push it over, but comfortably fast. You're doing great. You're doing amazing. Keep pushing, keep believing. Glowing, see the orb getting bigger, brighter. Pick up your pace just a little bit more. Be more than 2/3 through. Big inhale in, push all the air out. Hold. Big inhale in all the way, fill up your lungs. Filling up your lungs. See that orb float away, let it go, and holding. We haven't already started holding, hold now. Slowly, if you desire, that's 60 seconds. We're going to meditate now for 2 minutes. Just be with the energy you're feeling. If you want to take this to the next level, take a quick inhale, hold, release, and just be with this energy for the next couple minutes. Alright, take a big breath in all the way, fill up your lungs. Release any energy and hold. And let that out nice and slow. Just be with that energy for a time. I'm going to leave some music on for this video. If you want to do another breath work or dive into more spiritual things, there's some videos here for you. Peace, love, namaste. Thank you for breathing with me. Drink more water and get lots of sunlight.